We do have a freeze warning that's been issued for tonight into tomorrow morning for all the counties in purple to our west. I'm showing you this because this doesn't impact southeast Michigan, but this will be the trend as we head into the middle to later part of this week, where I think we end up with a hard freeze across southeastern Michigan Wednesday night and a Thursday morning. Likely some frost advisories that could even be issued into tonight. So once we get past the rain, that cooler air, especially for the overnights, will be what we're really focused on. But in the meantime, as you wake up, some scattered showers to contend with, especially right along the county line of Oakland, Macomb County, and then on the east side of Detroit here. But Washington Township, getting some of those moderate pockets of rain, and then closer to Port Huron up towards the Tri-Cities area. So satellite and radar showing that it's this trough creating enough of a disturbance that pulls some of that moisture off the lake and bringing us some of those showers as we're on the back edge of the low pressure system that brought us rain throughout the weekend. So as we zoom in one more time with Exact Track 4D, you can see that we do have improvement off towards Washtenaw, Livingston counties. This was much more steady and widespread as we joined you at 4:30 and 5. So now at the 6 o'clock hour, we're definitely going to have improvement as we get closer to the rush hour drive, which is great. But Exact Track 4D down towards Mabee, Carlton, Monroe. For our folks down to the south, some lighter rain, especially west of I-75. Right now, here's a live look in Southfield, where we still have some damp pavement. But as I really look closely at the roads there, not kicking up quite as much moisture as it was a little while ago. 44 degrees at Metro Airport, same in Pontiac, 45 in Grosse Ile, 43 in Port Huron. And winds are out of the north, calming down a bit, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, where we had gusts up, or I should say sustained winds upward of 15 miles per hour at Metro Airport just about a half hour ago. So your bus stop forecast will rise into the low 50s, meaning we don't even get much more than 10 degrees above where we're sitting right now. We'll call it mostly cloudy as we spend more of the day dry than wet, but we'll be in and out of a few little light rain chances throughout the day. So I'll show you what we have here. Throughout the morning, once we get to daybreak or so, closer to 8, most of us are dry, a little passing shower, so maybe even a few breaks in the clouds here and there. But by the afternoon hours, now we're talking about some of that moisture sinking into the thumb region, and that could persist tonight even into tomorrow. So Port Huron tonight around 8, maybe even a heavier shower, and then those scattered showers persisting early tomorrow. But the heart of the metro area, a bit drier. Sunshine doesn't really work its way in until later in the week. But tonight, mostly cloudy, chilly, 37 for the overnight low. And then tomorrow, winds are going to pick up a bit, so we're on the gustier end with 20-mile-per-hour gusts, but 51 is we're just a little bit cooler than today. Mostly cloudy. You pair that with that northerly breeze, probably feeling more like 40s tomorrow. So the overnight lows, we dip to 32 degrees for the overnight low Wednesday and Thursday, and that's our best chance of seeing that hard freeze. So really just stressing that if you're trying to enjoy some of those fall colors, the next few days will be the best because that hard freeze will knock some of those leaves down. Otherwise, sunshine Friday, back to seasonal 60s, and a gorgeous October weekend ahead, mid to upper 60s. Great for the apple orchard, corn maze, all that kind of stuff.